Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add sales notification to Wix website. So right now I will show you the easiest way to add sales notification to your Wix website. First of all, you have to open this website elsite.com. This is a very popular and free website where you will get lots of free widgets for your websites. Okay, once you are here, you have to create a free account. Just click on sign up and create an account. So I'm going to log into my account. Once you successfully signed in, now click on widgets, and in the search widget box you have to type here sales notification, and here you will find the sales notification widget. Just click on that, and in this left hand menu here you will find a bunch of different sales notifications template. You can pick any of them, then you will be able to customize the notification panel. Okay, select any of them, and here we can see the preview. So go ahead and select the sales notification template that you wish to use in your website. Let's use this template. Once you select it, now just click on continue with this template, and then you will directly jump into the widget editing panel. Here go to content, and here we can see by default 3 notifications are added. To edit any of them, just click on the specific one, and then you will be able to easily change the notification message. You can change notification time, you can change message, you can also add your link here, and just go ahead and customize your notification, then tap on done. To add more sales notifications, click on add notification, and then you will be able to add more notifications, or you can just click on this 3 dot next to any specific notification and just click on duplicate, and this will be easier to customize the sales notification. Now go to layout section, click on position, and now you will be able to select a different notifications for your sales notification. And you can also add an animation. Go to settings. Here we can see first notification delay. You can change delay, you can select display duration, and go to style, and here you will be able to change background, message color, link color, notification time color. So all you have to need, edit your notifications, sales notifications according to your requirements, and then just click on add to website for free, and just click on publish. And now we have to select here the free plan, so click on select, and here you will get a code for the sales notification widget. Just copy this code and you are done. Now go to your Wix website editor, and in this left hand menu click on add elements, and here click on embed code and add embed HTML into your Wix website. Once it is added, select code, and in this box type your widget code and click on update. And as you can see, my sales notification widget added. Now just go ahead and change the notification widget position. You can also make the panel bigger and smaller. And now let's preview our Wix website. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added sales notification into my Wix website, and here you can see it's look very cool. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.